Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a bootable USB in simple and easy steps. First, go to your PC and plug in your USB. After that, format it. Then go to your search bar and open your CMD. Then write disk path and hit enter. It will open another dialog box. Then write list space disk and hit enter. Now select your disk as per your USB size. Here I am going to use a 8GB USB, so I am going to write select disk 2 and hit enter. Then write clean. Then write create partition primary. Then write format fs is equal to FAT32 space quick, which is for Windows 7, and if you are installing Windows 8 or 10, write format space fs is equal to ntfs space quick. Here I am going to install Windows 7, so I am going to write fs is equal to FAT32 quick and hit enter. Now it will format your USB. Then write active, then assign. Now it's done. Your USB is now converted into a bootable USB. Now you can copy your Windows OS files to your USB. Now your bootable USB is ready.